Welcome, chemistry students, to Tuesday, April 14th, as we begin a very special week indeed in chemistry. We begin our Oxidation Reduction Reaction Week, also called REDOX. Re from reduction, ox from oxidation, Oxidation Reduction Reaction Week. In terms of e-learning, it doesn't get any better than this, because we are now on our final 7th type of chemical reaction that we'll discuss this year. This is our 7th and final one, or oxidation reduction reaction. So far, we've discussed synthesis, decomposition, single displacement or single replacement reactions. We've talked about double displacement. We've talked about combustion, acid-base neutralization, and now we're finally here for our 7th type oxidation reduction reaction. Next week, we will visit double displacement again with a lab and taking a closer look at what happens with double displacement. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's enjoy the week that lies ahead. Oxidation reduction reactions. As we enter into oxidation reduction reactions, it's important to keep in mind that redox reactions, very much like double displacement reactions, are a major category of reactions. Many of the other types fall under the umbrella of oxidation reduction reaction. Single, combustion, synthesis, decomp can all be categorized also as oxidation reduction reactions quite frequently. The same way that an acid-base neutralization reaction is a specific type of a double displacement. As we get into oxidation reduction reactions, keep in mind that really what we're looking at is who is in control of the electrons. In an oxidation reduction reaction, it involves changing control of who is either able to dominate the electrons in a chemical bond due to having high electronegativity, or for that matter, actual charges changing as atoms take electrons off other atoms. So that's the basis behind oxidation reduction. It's about focusing on changing who is in control of electrons. Today, we'll introduce oxidation reduction reactions with a series of videos. Enjoy it. Congratulations, we're finally on our 7th and final reaction type. Have a great day.